don't get it, President Mahama. So being country, me the moon to me Jeffrey will be out. A hayana me unimi or baby, a hayana me country. Your party is collapsing, and this party need go so fast.
Mahama, Mahama, back queen, Y0u, nation builder. I'm busy 2 years on the money, Mahama. We any pay you can watch the first and I see. Bonum da Ghana for you. I was from Marina Makwaba, the bag and same TV. So, but one is about like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time videos of this nature. Also, want to my cabina. Was I caso a share my MPP for Momunabi. All the MPP platforms I was to say what British or Ghana, maybe will be a Sunday, will be a maybe. We said the new Patriotic Party, near person that be at the Baport 2028 and Ghana and same TV there. A 2 months moment from day one. Your course of my Bumuda, the BCB, your course of my sum, Manarama. Your Mr. President, the opposite of the boy be a number that does no Richard through number, no, the old may be in Sabeka, in the Besopa. Nabusa, what wouldn't NDC for beyond Padmore? Aye. Na de bia meka se NDC eguba na de Padmore to no to pay one was NDC na guawi. Na mpay focus me se edidija wani mu na nenam. O se mitimi siri manim na mamu na mitimi e be na Padmore na NDC for year. For a top die-hard NDC member to hold the camera to the face without any pressure, without any fear or thoughts. Now because NDC is collapsing, NDC Agu there. There's a party na Agu no branding na minus Agu. Now my any Agu there me sorry party na Agu. Say one Mustafa Bande should back to be my party for. So you see there is a difference between governance and party. These are two different entities. One the party itself came to attack the government. Boboba. Boboba. Within a space of 4 years, elections at the new Patriotic Party akum. Pressure the new Patriotic Party akum. Say NDC in the co mo asabi ekomo ko members nyina. Do bebo dua bodua. Do betwe tuo betwe tuo. Do betwe sekan sabi ka NDC fu nyina wo figana maga na yasundue. The pressure the new Patriotic Party come in the last 4 years now. You got 2 major internal elections, 1 major election, and we are yet to go under 1 major internal election again. I could to say executives. Abusia, second NDC in the course hard face we more. Come party na done in song. In Kadana in song to say, in free president should be see from in vice president called Yabolo Crow to Niregi. Personally, the new Patriotic Party come in the last 4 years throughout elections near Korea. Mr. K. NDC in the co be a Camino Casaka vice president Yabule to Niregi. Hunter Regnation, Kiabune to. Padmore better to be a mayor John Dramani Mahama National Democratic Congress. I'll be my favorite the national Omudi me boha mama police action. Madarama. Y0u.
I don't get it, President Mahama. So being country, me the moon to me Jeffrey will be out. A hayana me unimi or baby, a hayana me country. Your party is collapsing, and this party need go so fast. So fast. Mu collapse party no. Ebi mo almost so many President Mahama na eko, so they don't give a fuck about it. And that is what is happening. Ba munim, mu amu ya sani nyina wan. Ye behwe. Ye nimu. And ye bi amu President Mahama eko amu ne na eko mu nsam meyi manim biom. Because whatever you guys are doing, we are watching. NDC will win again. You are very stupid. Nobody is saying NDC will not win. But treat your people well. Are you crazy? That is what I'm talking about. It's not about you winning. Stupid as you are. Chelsea nipa beat and they will win. Nobody give a fuck about that. There's no way MPP will win election in Ghana 2028. But the issue is NDC for no tiamu. Udi oma ye juma mo short omo. This is the same mistake MPP for ye. And our number they drop from 1 million. 2020 now drop. You don't understand how court a year juma. What we are saying is that ye ni mo ni e person ye unso ya chi obi. Ghana 22 billion no cocoa board. Almost MPP na collapse cocoa board. Na ye den obi timi collapse cocoa board. Na mo se kope sika foforo e de akutua. For what? Na na sika na wen. That makes this government weak. And na me bisa sinti e kasa. Na me kan mo hwe no obi amfa phone, amfa mfre. We are not doing NDC. We are doing Ghana as I'm speaking. Yakoto abawi a ye de ma MPP a we are doing MPP. You are doing Ghana. Yanya to abawi pe ya we politics. Enye na we NDC ni sanse mu hunu umi entwa so. Yanya to abani we are doing Ghana. Woni mu se wontimi nya adwuma enkoji position na nji akatua because ye tuo muka. But what am I say? They have been paid. That's my worry. Wontimi nya adwuma nya akatua obian for so obia. What I say? Ye won krofo a ometimi aye adwuma nti se wonim se wontimi nya you just get out from government. Na kope business na ye. Me too me impa appointment bia because me person beba be so me. What I say? Nti wontimi nya enkoji appointment. Wanya di appointment na ye tua wo kan de ye be for so amoa ye adwuma. So that is what I'm doing. Who is a maker say no na me ye. And Ghana for nya e na wa aban bi obi anya obi aban. Ye ka Ghana asem ya to abawie e na me kan is a ho no atwam. Sisi a Ghana first and ye nti wantimi anya we will make sure we put pressure on you. What you say? Yes.
Okay, say mo obi anfa phone for last time we video go for one.
They will call. They will be calling. And I will party. And I say, "Anya, but then our party san se muhunu no mumi anya idi." Yeah, Ghana mammo ese bibia pepepe. Nobody should call anybody. Wunim say, and anke say on mpanifo kasa, aha na ye hu me se Padmore na meboa. Ti aha na mede me message nam. Me ni obi ani kasa bia. Wo ye ni ya me meka. What was that mekasa? Unless something is going wrong. And listen, so mo tete won po a obi from ma omo mfa. Yeah, na mo enye no bi asa wo hia me wo ban ni. Wo hia no police for na di nachi. Nti untimi kra nkoka wa asam nkire no. They don't even pick young cry call. Now who call me befa. So we don't need them. I don't need to go and tell anybody anything. It's here. Wa obedi nkwasi asem wa ban we ye beka obi anyo obi awo. Ye nyina na platform ati say ya. Ni ye nyina we bring numbers. Me, I brought numbers. Come ye kasa no. National security frefre no mo mu dwani. Mahama ekwa no mu di akire. Obi anya adwuma nsin obi a. You understand? So we are not scared of anybody. Nobody should call anybody. Position Omudi was raw executive. So nobody is afraid of anybody. Obianya nietine. Oya nietine ya mekasawa. Omoya nietine obia mekasawa. Ba manya nietine mama mfo samu ya superior obi ntimi nka masem. That one we will not take it. Boss, obia nzuro obia o. Why nothing will happen. Ade ba ko pe owu no me mate ase afri mi nkola am se mewu. Slowly will be abe. Oh yeah, Mecca. Message will come the National Democratic Congress, NDC. NDC for. Mama men can't say muka cranchre. Na asema making a prophecy. Monfanto. More follow me with her channel. And some me can't during the election, before the election, has come to pass. Omo mudi machinjo me can't. Now, some are making video we enra because the internet ain't prepared that a better. Na be ya dance here. Now one day, someone ye money omayi ye the become wasem. To me, ne jia din. Na to me wo we see ye jia. Ye here nipo madri mu daho. A mo tema. No more timi dia bot to me ho ban. To me ye bo ho ban. Mombo mu to me no ho ban. Na mutumi na monsa aka no mombo ho ban me ye party ni na me kasate se party ni muntie me mutumi na manfo no de maamo no mommo ho ban ne nti a me kasa ne se munye munioma yi at the rate my ignore party no ebe hama train na modie ne beye so fast modie ne beye ntem na beye mo sesini me kan kire mo bia na ada ne ho se o yesi afifufu ma na ese na ndo bi ewiase no sisi nipa aba mo dwen dem tete adwen no enye adwuma ne o. Politics has taken a new dimension, new generation of people and aba dream new enti munya munioma ye mini constituency chairman enenam for the past 4 months. A constituency chairman afre CEOs afre ministers of states omoye ne colleagues omoye ne nkrofo na oni omo nenam for 4 months obieni ho awafa ne call baako omunyino bia mfa ne call for 4 months. A whole constituency chairman every CEO every minister every appointee bi wo baby 4 months if you are no information a constituency chairman every for 4 months now on fa ne call maybe so na se constituency chairman be frewo CEO and a minister for 4 months now on fa ne call nati se branch chairman muntie and as a ward coordinator and so free constituency chairman for 4 months. Now constituency chairman so I'm branch chairman and now ward coordinator a caller me be samu mubenya party structure bi wase na. I'm asking the way a constituency chairman every CEO and now offer appointee be a one fan in the name of why busy mu ye meetings na me be so when we need power and ka obanya client be na a meeting you are attending to the customer our supplier na oma product ema utimi gina so de ko negotiate with the customer no what's supplier no hu ya okay see e ma contract wa ha na obeba na supplier see me need product amede be ma wa wo bibi a wo kan ho asem maza at the rate of my normal party for no NDC, man share ya mu lose by your time. Asemu ya making the hypocrites ones, baba and a party, enya no na make man share ya see horse say the at the rate of my say wo huriban one. Some of the primaries be boom, man ya mubabu say kojo to. Me pamocho making more what for the party. No, sorry, na more acting on it. Obi frewa fampone kan trochre. That is the biggest respect. Don't ignore them. You will need them to renew your power. You will need them. I don't need to tell you this. Pick their cause and talk to them. You still have a party. And in the Bemu, there are constituencies. Constituency chairman for Yinana Musu Aden. No more the chairman for them. They can't even organize meetings. They can't call meetings. Some of the MPs are running. It's a big problem. A solve problem. No, President Mahama me pauto. What point is no two or more. Na party for no, especially chairman and other people no from fa no muntie. Some meka. Ebi wo home pa na nye so mu baby so musika. They need some informations. Asama mi kai mami anhwe wa mu be sumwani ewiase mo bia nya na adwen se ATS bi da ho mo bi ewiase asesa o sa na no ho mentality na ye de to aba enye bi ne ye de to aba sisia o omo aye wo mu 2010 ye from the alpha generation omo ba be to aba 2028 and if you know how these people think mo mfa ne o mani agro mo so communication mu ye se wonya bibi mani panokra woni ne nkasa munyai ahomaso na mo ne nkrofo nkasa ba bia wote no eya appointment eye gwemu na de mo akotena ho muntiti omuye enye sa mo besu afa mo ha woni amoye wuntumi mo no sa pepepe no mo de bem mepa mo cho asemi chama na siedu nkatia mo fa mo nan si ho bande mo fa mo nan si ho na mo address asemi na e ha adwe medam ase bye bye.
Now,
before